Ready, little buddy?
Yep, make sure you get my good side.
Here we go.
Did it turn out?
Looks perfect.
One more for luck.
Nailed it.
Oh, here we go again. Buddy, you gonna take that? Yep, another one. She has no reason, man. You're a saint.
Oh, here we go. Milo's tail in the face. Tap. Yep, Tessa didn't like that. And he's off. Oh, there she goes. Off the tree. Poor girl can't reach you now. Good game, guys.
Squaring up.
That little mouse brave thing.
Cat's not playing.
Whoa.
And it's gone.